Y'all, I am so daggum excited. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do. I'm taking the bike is done. They're taking it on a test ride. But it's done and it looks amazing, bro. It looks amazing. It's heck. But hold on, let me wait till we come back around so I can show y'all. So excited about this. This is part of the 2024 refresh, bro. Look, y'all know me, I like to be different. So when you see this bike, you'll be like, oh yeah, that's Mungus, because no one else has something like it.
Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey. No monkey.
Say what up, it's your boy Dude Mungus. You see there's an empty spot here. The bat is getting its 15,000 mile service, and we've been waiting on this right here. I told you guys, for 2024, we are switching it up, and for anyone who's been paying attention, you might have an idea of kind of how we're gonna switch this up. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. I am super excited about this, man. So shout out to new channel sponsor, Monster Fairing. Yeah, you guys seen it in the beginning. Yes, so I am now sponsored with Monster Fairing. And for any of you guys that are interested, we have a discount code, DudeMungus, straight, forget the underscore. So it's DudeMungus. Use that, save yourself some money, and get you a free bolt kit when you get this. But man, hey, let's go in and jump into this, man, and see. And again, for anyone who's been paying attention, you kind of could see where we were kind of going with this whole thing. If you've been paying attention to my new jacket and little accessories I've been having here and there, you kind of got an idea of where we're gonna go with this. But man, let me get this camera set up and we will start unboxing this bad boy. I know what I'm gonna do, you know, probably ain't for everybody, but I need a company that can rock with your boy. So we switching it up and we go thug dizzle it out, man. I'm so excited. So yeah, again, working with them has been a pleasure. We went back and forth a few times, came up with the initial design, and they was like, yo, Mungus, we got you, but whew, this gonna take a little work. But man, I really hope you guys like the new design we came up with, because yo, it is about to be, it's about to be stupid, because 2024, we got to go with a little shock and awe, and we got to get to it. All right, dudettes, let's get into it, because I'm excited about this. I've been waiting for a long time, actually, to get these in. Shoot, how long has it been? No, it was longer than that. It's probably been at least...
What's it been done?
It's been probably about 3 or 4 months start to finish, because the design I wanted, it was not just a regular Joe Smo design, because I had... I love what Suzuki did with the 2022 model, but I wanted to add a little flair to it. So this is what we did. Oh, I'm so excited. Freaking excited. All right, let's see what all comes with this kit. Ooh, can you see the color peeping through, my boy? We done sneak peek. I don't know if you haven't seen it yet, but ooh, look at that joint though. Suck this. Look at that. Yes, sir. We went with a gloss yellow and a matte black. Ooh, I don't know why Suzuki got rid of the yellow color they used to have anyway, but this looks good. I'm actually really excited to test out the fitting on this, because I hear that it's really good. We're gonna install this real time on the bat. So I'm gonna go to the shop and we're gonna install, I'm gonna film a video of them installing it, and we're gonna talk about fitment to see how it fits. But the quality on this joint, woo, that joint looks good. That joint looks good. And you gotta know me to know that yellow is my favorite color. So y'all should have known something like this was coming. But that was only for the guys that's been paying attention. to see what's been going on. Let me not set that on the floor. Let me not be rude. All right, got that. This is some heat shielding. Because we don't want to burn them fairings, but by the time we put these fairings on, all the tuning for the bat will be done. There's one part I am super excited to show you guys about. So I'm not going to unpack everything, but there is one part I'm super excited to show you guys about. So let's get this and see about this, because I definitely want to check the quality of it. So this will be the first time I'm ever running the fairing that is not OEM. So I can't lie, I am a little nervous, but from what I've seen from Monster Fairings, I feel like we did a good move by giving Monster Fairings a shot. I do feel like somewhere down the line I will end up adding some carbon fiber in. But dude, like, this is a side panel piece which looks exactly like the side panel piece that's on the back, and looks good. There's no blemishes or anything like that. And it looks like they got all the holes and all the spots for the tab. It looks like they got everything right. They even got the tab that pushes into the rubber piece. So it looks like they got down with the get down on this part. But let me find this side panel. This is what I really want to show y'all. Let me try to find this. Oh, this is the tail section. Oh, looks so good. Complimentary bolt kit that comes with this. So remember, when you use discount code DudeMungus, you will get this bolt kit in there. So no underscore, just DudeMungus, and you will get this bolt kit in there. Oh, heck yeah. This is a part of the tail section. Ooh. Tell me that ain't gonna look good on the tail section, bro. Like, y'all ready for this? Oh, that's gonna look good. And again, this is like legit, like they painted this, legit paint. It is very smooth. I don't see any blemishes. They got the holes cut out for underneath. They got the tabs cut out. I think they did a good job. So far, I am impressed with the quality that they have. And the paint, the colors match. I don't think this is it. I just don't know what this is. Oh, this is the underneath. Ooh, look at that. So I'm gonna have to get the Suzuki that I can put on the side. Because of copyright issues, they were not able to put the official Suzuki badging on this, but we're gonna take care of that. Oh, something small was in there. Here we go. This is the piece I want to show you. And I'm not going through everything because you guys are gonna have to wait to see the full reveal. But oh, yo, that's dope. Babe, look at this. Hold on. Look at that. That is dope. Look, that is dope. So instead of the Suzuki symbol, I opted to put Dude Mungus on the side. I'm just like, you know what? Why not? You guys are going to see a huge change in 2024 because I am going to push the Dude Mungus brand. And what better way to do it than Dude Mungus on the side? I know y'all can't see the complete bike right now, but just imagine the Suzuki. Instead of Suzuki right there, it's Dude Mungus right there. Yo, that is super dope. And it's in my favorite color. And so my logo has a lot of detail in it. So it took them a little bit longer than usual to make custom fairings because they literally can make you any custom fairing you want. You think of it, they can do it for you. But when there's intricate little pieces and parts like this, you gotta be patient. It takes a little time. So this whole thing shaped out to be a 2024 refresh. And it was worth the wait. But dude, that's dope. I got a bike that's gonna have my logo on the side, bro. It don't get much more doper than that. Man, that looks good. But anyway, that's just a sneak peek of what we have coming. I'm not gonna show you guys too much, and I didn't want this episode to be too long. But I did want to let you guys know that we have a new channel sponsor for 2024, and it is Monster Fairings. And if you are interested in getting you a set of custom fairings, because they literally can do anything you think of, dude, use discount code DudeMungus, DudeMungus. Save yourself some money and get you a free bolt kit when you use that discount code. And bro, like, hey, this is about to be dope. I also wanted something different because, you know, like when they made the 22 Gixxer, of course, my color that they have is not the only color that they made, or it's not the only one they made. But when most people see that color Gixxer, which is an honor, they're like, yo, that's Dude Mungus, that's the Mungus Gixxer. And I'm just like, yo, I'm glad you guys say that, but there's other people, you know, they got that same color. So I'm trying to do something that when you see this, you like, there's no denying that that's Mungus's bike because Mungus is on the side. Let me show y'all this real quick. So this is the rear cowl. Look how much they paid attention to detail. This is the spot where the Suzuki toolkit goes. Now the toolkit ain't that much. It's just some Allen keys, but they have a spot where you can put the Allen keys, just like the OEM seat. So they really paid attention to detail on this thing. So this is about to be dope. So this is my bike, man, and this is just super dope. And again, I'm not gonna keep babbling. I just wanted to let you guys know that we have a new sponsor for 2024. We also got another sponsor for 2024 that I want to let you guys know about, which will be in a different episode. But again, man, 2024 is about to be super dope. But anyway, man, appreciate you guys rocking with me. You know who it is. It's your boy, Dude Mungus.
Gotta go check it out real quick.
Oh, you ready?
Hell yeah.
Dude! Oh, snap! Yo! Bro, that looks even better than I expected! Yo, that is nasty!
I went ahead and put the back cover on now.
Damn, you don't look bad.
It ain't bad. It ain't bad.
Hopefully it was, yeah.
It's got a little gap up in here, but that's it. Other than that,
Relay. He broke it down. It's called
Yeah, I was gonna ask you how the
relay
fitment
control
of it go, because you work on a lot of
relay.
these.
it's
controls the
typical.
output.
Typical. It's good.
Squeeze
That's
the
actually
brake.
It's pretty good.
That
Okay.
relay,
Once you use the working with it,
puts
you know
in
what
that
to do.
that comes out. It comes back to the
Wow.
headlight.
Brake, nothing. It's on there.
No tabs
There's the headlight relays.
It's on there.
That looks
This is a
good.
close
I
up
am
of that.
blown
That's the
away.
Top light relay.
Oh man, I've been trying to get this done for like over a
That's
year.
what he said.